My name is Patrick Corder here at MarineMax Stuart, and today I'm going to be showing you a 2023 32 Aviara. This boat here that we have is going to be equipped with black 300 Mercuries, a beautiful gray digital sea deck, as well as a black interior layout and black gel coat on the sides. So first thing you're going to notice off the transom, it's nice and wide, but you have a real unique seating setup. You have nice stadium seats here. So if you're hanging off the back, you can sit out, talk to everybody on the back of the boat, or use it as a nice unique sun pad. And it's super easy to put back. So if you come in, you're going to notice a lot of designated storage. Here below, we'll have nice fender storage locker. Make our way into the boat. You'll notice as you get inside the boat, nice high gunnels off here off the back. We're gonna have a little storage area. This is where the grill option would go. Below me, you have a fridge option. If there's not a fridge there, you'll have great, huge storage space. Underneath this, beautiful stainless steel hose for the sink, and then again designated storage for your wine bottles or alcohol bottles. Here we have a beautiful Aviara cooler. You can also substitute this out for a insulated drawer. Aviara being one of the best party boats out there, day cruising boats, you'll notice speakers kind of everywhere, as well as LED lights. You do have an RGB controller up here, so you can kind of pick your color, set the mood right for those evening cruises. Again, a beautiful boat. As you make your way towards the helm seat area, VHF, handhelds, digital throttle, Mercury joystick. You have your Lenco trim tabs, Simrad unit, and then a vessel view here for the engine data. And then this particular screen is going to be just for the Aviara. So you're going to have your lighting, your speakers, bilge pumps, as well as your aft sunshade. We'll go down in here. Nice size head. Have about almost 6 feet of head space in there. And again, tons of storage down there. So real nice, deep, easy. Use it as a changing room if you need to. Beautiful big windshield. And then as you know, as you come up to the bow of the boat, you're gonna have, again, the gunnel gets even higher. So real nice, safe area for the kids. Beautiful lounger up here, real nice and comfortable. As well as you can also do a gorgeous little filler cushion. Turns this area to a nice big sun pad. If you'd like to see this boat in person or schedule a sea trial, you can see us at MarineMax Stuart or MarineMax.com. You can give us a call at 772-287-4495. Again, my name is Patrick. Thank you for watching.